The best way to find an ideal posting time is by testing the timing of your post to see which post time generates the most audience engagement. On average, the best time to post on Instagram is between 2 p.m. and 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time. However, the level of engagement you get can change dramatically depending upon what day of the week you post. The best day to post on Instagram is Thursday, not just at 3 p.m., but at 5 a.m., 11 a.m., and 4 p.m. as well. Posting at 5 a.m. Central Daylight Time from Tuesday to Friday generates some of the highest engagements, people who usually check their phones right when they wake up. Posting from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time during the weekdays also generates a lot of engagement. People usually check their phones during lunch or when they start to run out of mental energy towards the end of the workday. If you want to post on the weekends, post on Saturday around 11 a.m. Central Daylight Time when people eat brunch or hang out with their friends. So, while Instagramming, don't go by this time range alone. Consider both the day of the week and the industry you're in. Now here are some best times to post on Instagram with related companies or the industry that you are involved in. I hope this helps in giving you a leg up on your Instagramming, and hope to see you soon. If you like this video, consider liking and subscribing to this channel. Thanks, and have a fantastic day.